Okay. Here are my Thursday thoughts. So excited. When you are thinking and growing rich, using Napoleon Hill's book to manifest more money, it is clear on how you have to be diligent in showing up and putting in the work. This is one of the times that you have to do it morning and night and recite the script, rewrite the script, rehearse the script, speak it in a mirror, find healing crystals and hold them to your heart and feel the vibration of the worthiness and the acceptance of this money, and celebrating the feeling of accomplishing your goal. Huge. If you don't embody the feeling, then your goal will not be achieved. You have to feel like it's there. Okay, you have to be doing your happy dance. Woohoo! You have to mirror clink champagne. Yeah, buddy. Voice your excitement of the thrill of being financially free, abundant, worthy. It's a vibration. So it starts with the date. You have to be very specific on when you believe this money will be in your possession, and set an attainable goal. Because if you don't believe it's attainable, then the universe will not provide it for you. There will be a sense of doubt. There will be a sense of lack. There will be a disharmony of the vibration and you won't receive it. Then you script the amount, a specific, worthy, attainable amount in conjunction with the date. Those two together are part of the script. Then you're supposed to list the services that you're going to provide in order to get there. Declare that you will provide impeccable service and have oath how you will rise above the call of duty and serve in your highest ability. Do not expect anything in return, just serve. Just be amazing. Affirm your faith in its arrival. Visualize every attainable way it may arrive in your vortex. It's going to show up in your bank account, on your desktop, on your mobile app. The numbers will show up there. It's being transferred to me in proportion of the services I give. It will be in my hands. Here, I'm gonna get some money and put it in my hands right now. Practice what you preach, Michelle. It's in my hands. I'm just rubbing it all over my body. I love money. It's amazing. It's being stuffed in your pockets. It's bursting out of your wallet. It's shoved in every crevice of your purse. You find it on the street, in the trunk of your car. Where else? It's coming in from the mail. It's being mailed to you. You find a treasure box in the ground. When you're digging up your garden, you just find a treasure full of money. Wouldn't that be amazing? So you affirm with the statement, I allow money, I accept money, I love money. I love tips, I love donations, I love investors, I love sweepstakes, I love winning, I love gambling, I love negotiating, I love finding money in the laundry. I know it's clean. I receive money, I love money, I am money. It's energy, it's vibration. People love to pay me more than I expect. I enjoy the energy exchange. Here's some money. Doesn't it make you feel happy? To be financially free, to be abundant, to be worthy. It is your divine right to live prosperous in this world. Remove your limiting beliefs, remove the doubt, remove the lack, remove the shame from your vocabulary, from your being. Just remove it. And seal it with the declaration. I command this ideal universe or something better. Then you do your happy dance of being superstar. Yeah. And I would love to see your superstar happy dance. So please send them to me. Tag me on your Instagram. I want to see them. I enjoy the vibration of seeing other people's happy. Enjoy manifesting. Namaste.